Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to add and explore about the recent post widgets. So here you can see we have the recent posts in our sidebar widgets, but in this we can only see the title of the post. So if we want, then we can change, we can show the images of the post and show the description and all other things. For that we have to install a plugin. So I will go to my dashboard and click in plugins. After that I will click on add new. Then in search bar just type recent posts. I think by this much it should show. Okay, recent post widget. Okay, you can click in this one, which is thumbnails. Okay, the first one, sorry. Click on this first one. I'm installing this one. It will take some time maybe to install. Okay, after installing this I will activate this plugin in my site. Okay, now my recent post widget with thumbnails is activated. Now after this what we can do, now we can go in appearances and in appearance click on widgets. Okay, previously we have seen how we can add or remove any of the widgets from the sidebar or header, footer. Okay, so what we are going to do here, at first we will remove this recent post. Okay, let the recent post now I should be able to. Okay, I will delete it one by one. Now remove block. Now what I want to add here is recent post with thumbnails. Okay, now I have added it here. So it is providing me so many options for how will I display my recent post. So we'll do it one by one. Okay, so this title for the widget, we can select the title for the widget. Okay, it's a recent post, recent post, recent posts. Okay, this looks good. The field can be. So how many posts? This, the next field is asking how many posts do you want to show in your widget. So it has selected 5. If I selected only 4, it will only show me 4 posts in my recent posts. Okay, so if I check on this, then the post will be opened in a new window. I don't want that. Do not show the current post. So if you check on this, the post which you are looking at now, it will not be shown in the list. So I will check this one. So how do you want to order it? Either by date, title, last modification date. So I think it has selected date as a default. I will left it as it is. Okay, sorting order, ascending or descending, let it be descending. Sticky. Okay, it is saying, giving the option for sticky. So only sticky post, do not show sticky post, give sticky post the top list. Okay, so if there is you are going to the sticky option, you can choose any one according to your requirement. Okay, coming to the title, do not show the post title. If you check on this, it will not show the title of the post. We don't want that. Okay, maximum length of the post title. Okay, 1000. I will not make it 1000. I'll make it only 100. Okay, coming to the authors. So the authors, in our case, we only has an admin as an author. So if you click on this, it will also show who has posted the respective post. Okay, I will check this here to show you. Okay, it will write like by admin. Okay, in categories, so post category, if you check on this, it will also show the category, in which category does the following post belongs. Okay, set post category, links, pointing and archives. I will not check now these things. So post date and next short. Okay, you can also provide a short description in your recent post. I will give short description of only 20, and this. Okay, set signs after, yes, and ignore post extra field as extra source, yes, ignore comments, so number of comments. Okay, I will also want to show the number of comments, filter by all categories, and thumbnail settings. Okay, in thumbnail settings, the size of thumbnail, so you can specify here thumbnail size, specify width and height. Okay, you can select the size for the thumbnail if you. Okay, now after this, you can control these settings by yourself, and I want to do one more thing before. At first I will update this. Now after this, I want to show you how our recent posts are being looked. Okay, I have to remove this recent post first, then only it will show me one recent post. Okay, now if I update it again, what you can see here, okay, you can see the function, it is done by admin, and the date, and it is a description of our post and number of comments. And I think this 20 is much less for me. I will make it 50. If I update it here, then as you can see that the number of text has been increased in the description of the post, and after 50 characters, I think it was 50, I have written 50, yes. Okay, after the yes, after the 50 characters, it will show you this kind of sign. And one more thing is missing here, and that is our thumbnail, as I have not added the images in all of the posts. So I will do that thing. I have added for the introduction to Python. Let's go for these variables. In variables, what I want to do is I want to choose a feature image. You can click on here, set feature image, and I will select this one. Done for this. Update. Okay, then I will go in my another post, variables, if else. So I will again add a feature image. I will add this one as a feature image. Okay, let me update it again. Okay, after this I will. Okay, I think everybody will get the idea how it's gonna look. Just let me refresh it. Okay, now you can see for these two posts, the thumbnail has been shown. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you that let me go in this widget. The posts here are shown according to the date. What you can do is you can display your recent post randomly. So for that, what we have to do, what we have to do is, okay, comments, okay, I think it's up. Somewhere we have selected the date. Okay, in here you can even select the random or page order on this last modification. If I click on a random and update it, now what you will see at first here is function, because I have created this post at last, and as I reload it, now you can see this introduction to Python is at the first, and this function has gone to second, if else at third. Now again if I refresh it, the order will change again. Okay, so you can do even like that, but I will leave it in default. Now I'll just update it and reload this. So in this way you can add a lot of features for your recent post widgets using this plugin. So the later things we'll cover in another video. Thank you.